Are you tired of hearing about complicated stock strategies that leave you confused and overwhelmed? What if I told you there's a way to build wealth steadily without constantly worrying about the market? Index funds are the solution, and they're easier than you think. Let me show you why. The passive investment revolution. Let's be honest, when most people think about investing, they picture a fast-paced world of buying and selling stocks, day trading, and trying to outsmart the market. But here's the truth. You don't need to chase the market to build wealth. In fact, the most successful investors in history have built their fortunes by following a simple, proven strategy: passive investing. Now you may be wondering, what does passive investing even mean, and how do I get started? The answer lies in index funds, one of the simplest and most powerful tools you can use to grow your wealth without spending all your time on research or constantly checking the market. In this video, I'll explain why index funds are perfect for passive investors. Whether you're new to investing or already have some experience, understanding index funds could be the game changer you need for long-term financial success. What exactly are index funds? Let's start with the basics. Index funds are a type of mutual fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF, that aim to mirror the performance of a specific market index. But what does that really mean? In simple terms, an index fund is a collection of stocks or bonds that represent an entire market or sector. For example, the S&P 500 index tracks the 500 largest companies in the U.S. So when you invest in an S&P 500 index fund, you're essentially buying small pieces of all 500 of those companies. This way, you don't have to pick individual stocks. You're investing in a broad, diversified mix of companies. Index funds are designed to replicate the market, not beat it. And that's a key point. Most investors think they need to outsmart the market by picking the next hot stock. But research shows that most professional investors can't consistently do better than the market. That's where index funds come in. They offer a simple, low-cost way to invest in the market as a whole with no need for constant monitoring or stock picking. The beauty of passive investing. When we talk about passive investing, we're talking about a strategy that doesn't require you to actively manage your investments. Instead of buying and selling stocks every time you think you've spotted a trend or a hot stock, passive investing focuses on setting up a diversified portfolio that you can hold for the long term. It's all about staying in the game and letting your investments grow over time. So why is passive investing, and particularly index funds, such a powerful strategy for building wealth? Here are a few key reasons. 1. Simplicity and convenience. One of the biggest appeals of index funds is how easy they are to understand and invest in. There's no need to become an expert in stock analysis or spend hours tracking individual stocks. When you invest in an index fund, you're essentially saying, I want to invest in the overall market, and I trust that it will grow over time. Think of it like this. Instead of spending your time trying to pick individual apples at the store, you're buying a pre-made fruit basket that contains a little bit of everything. You don't need to worry about choosing the best apple. You've already got a great mix. Index funds offer you diversification, which we'll dive into in a minute, with minimal effort. You don't have to research thousands of stocks or figure out which ones are going to outperform. Just invest in the fund and let it work for you. 2. Low fees equals more profit. Another key benefit of index funds is that they typically come with lower fees compared to actively managed funds. When you invest in an actively managed fund, a team of managers is making decisions about which stocks to buy and sell. These managers need to be paid, and that often comes with hefty fees that eat into your returns. Index funds, on the other hand, are passive. They don't require a team of analysts making decisions every day. They simply track the market index. Because of this, index funds tend to have much lower expense ratios, which means more of your money stays invested, working for you. Over time, these lower fees can make a big difference in your investment returns. Even small differences in fees can add up over the years, so choosing a low-cost index fund can be one of the smartest moves you can make as a passive investor. 3. Diversification. Spread the risk. When you invest in an individual stock, you're putting all your eggs in one basket. If that stock goes down, you could lose a significant portion of your investment. But when you invest in an index fund, you're spreading your money across a wide range of stocks or bonds. This is called diversification. Diversification helps to reduce risk because it means that your investment is not tied to the performance of a single company. Instead, you're investing in a broad swath of companies, which can help smooth out the highs and lows of individual stocks. If one company's stock drops, it likely won't affect your entire portfolio as much. For example, let's say you invest in an S&P 500 index fund. This fund holds stocks in companies across a wide range of industries, from technology to healthcare to energy. If one industry is having a rough time, the other industries may continue to do well, helping balance out your investment. 4. Consistent long-term growth. While no investment is entirely without risk, the historical performance of broad market index funds is impressive. Over the long term, the stock market tends to increase in value despite short-term ups and downs. And index funds allow you to participate in that long-term growth. For example, the S&P 500 has returned an average of around 7 to 10% annually, adjusted for inflation, over the last 90 years. While past performance is never a guarantee of future results, the track record of broad market index funds speaks for itself. This is where the magic of compound interest comes in. The longer you stay invested, the more your money grows, not just from the returns on your initial investment, but from the returns on your returns. Over decades, this compounding effect can lead to significant wealth accumulation. 5. Tax efficiency index funds are also tax efficient. Because they don't have a team of managers buying and selling stocks constantly, they generate fewer capital gains taxes compared to actively managed funds. Capital gains taxes occur when you sell an investment for a profit, and they can take a bite out of your returns. With index funds, the buy and hold strategy means fewer taxable events, making it a more tax-efficient investment. If you hold your index fund for the long term, which is exactly what passive investing is all about, you'll pay less in taxes than if you were frequently buying and selling individual stocks. 6. Low maintenance, high peace of mind. One of the key benefits of index funds, especially for passive investors, is that they require little maintenance. Once you invest in an index fund, you don't have to constantly monitor the market, track individual stocks, or make decisions about when to buy or sell. Instead, you can set your investments and forget about them, knowing that they're working for you. This is perfect for people who don't want to spend their days glued to stock tickers or trying to predict market trends. Index funds are the perfect fit for a set-it-and-forget-it strategy. All you need to do is invest consistently over time, and your wealth will grow at a steady pace. Common mistakes to avoid with index funds. While index funds are a great choice for passive investors, there are still some common mistakes to watch out for. Timing the market. Some people try to time their entry into the market, waiting for the perfect moment to buy. This is incredibly difficult to do and can lead to missed opportunities. The best strategy with index funds is to invest regularly and stay invested for the long term, not to try and predict market highs and lows. Not rebalancing. While index funds are easy to maintain, it's still important to check your portfolio every now and then to ensure it's still aligned with your goals. If one sector has outperformed and made up a larger portion of your portfolio, you may need to rebalance by selling some of those holdings and buying other funds. Chasing the best performer. Just because an index fund performed well last year doesn't mean it will continue to perform well. Avoid chasing past performance and focus on your long-term investment strategy. In summary, index funds are an excellent choice for anyone looking to grow wealth with a passive investing strategy. They are simple, low-cost, diversified, and offer long-term growth potential. Whether you're just starting or are already an experienced investor, index funds allow you to sit back, relax, and let your money grow without constantly watching the market. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. The key is consistency, patience, and making smart, low-maintenance investment choices. Index funds give you the perfect tool to do just that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. I'd love to hear about your investing journey and any questions you have about index funds or passive investing. And if you want to learn more about building wealth the smart, passive way, keep watching for more videos on investing strategies that work. Thanks for tuning in, and happy investing.